Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation convener Jitendra Ningomba has accused the government of collaborating with those seeking to divide Manipur and emphasized the urgent need to hold elected representatives accountable. He was speaking on the silence when sit-in protests held today against the Thronglaubi incident and the subsequent firing upon protesters in a CRPF camp at Langdum Awang Lekai, Imoinu Lampak. The event was organized by Liberal Integrated Youth of Langdum under the banner of Kokomi. Speaking further, Jitendra maintained that the people of Manipur is demanding the Prime Minister and Chief Minister to resign on moral grounds as they apparently support the Kuki militants who seek separate administration from Manipur. He demanded the immediate arrest of those responsible for the Thronglaubi attack, which claimed the lives of 2 minors, and criticized the government for its complacency in merely handling the case to NIA. Jitendra also announced plan to carry out intense agitations if the government failed to understand the sentiments of the people.
We talk to Kandu Krabotunda, Yanabaki Matuna, Layambudabo, Layambo, I call Silinaone, Puna Himisi, Puna Himinava, Puna Sokanamima, Puna Leminava, I would do tab, Natanaku Parity. I don't know, Hojo, Lady Balengaxina, I coin a midmang Uyaba, I coin a sea luxury by Imauning a sea, Yumda, Agang, Honadana, Agang, Tokotaba, Honadana, Legatamsida, Pingo, Shetan, Lady Basha, Mahui, Matik Sadrava, Adu Malenga, Bakambus, Sigmatak, Utpa, Canoneva. I don't know. Highly Bukambusing Sinan, Lumini, Nisigamanunda, Ekoi Mima, Miamna, Biam Prajana, Pin Mayaba, Tabakara, Pangfokura, Habaku Yengsi, Numin Nika, Aduga, Sigi Matum the Gedi, Amukena, Sitiki Kantan Mama and Matokare.